The thing we like is that we can use Kentico for very simple sites and still can use it in the enterprise level. For example, we have one installation of Kentico with 200 sites in it, and it is running as if it would be only one single site. So we can really scale the system, and this is one of the main reasons why I use it. We can use it for everything.
The performance of the CMS, again, we find to be excellent. Once again, we have deployed this for various clients, all with different varying needs, from standard content management to enterprise level content management to e-commerce, and we find the tool has always performed exceptionally.
The other thing is how caching is done in Kentico, like WebPart-based partial caching, data caching. Without that, we cannot support 20 million hits a month.
So one of the things we love about .NET itself is it gives you an amazing set of APIs and tools to optimize performance. It's a very robust platform, an enterprise level platform, and Kentico has really taken all of those elements of .NET caching, output caching, data caching, and various other things, and made them accessible. So instead of having to do a lot of trial and error, a lot of custom programming and configuration, the vast majority of performance enhancements can actually happen within the CMS site administrator or the CMS desk itself, or even on documents, individual documents. And so that gives us a tremendous amount of flexibility to provide a platform that can handle very high volume and spikes in traffic. Another nice thing that Kentico provides for us is this performance guide, so that we can get expected results based on hardware and loads, which we can use in our calculations for our clients to help them determine how much hardware they need to purchase or lease in order to support their traffic loads.
Performance-wise, Kentico matches higher end solutions, solutions which typically cost 3 or 4 times the amount that Kentico costs for us. And at NetConstruct, we're happy that the performance that we get from Kentico will allow us to constantly scale our sites and deliver more high-end performance that our clients expect.
Yeah, I think the performance in Kentico is very good. It's one of its stronger features. We currently run 3 websites with a load balancer and a web farm, and it can scale up well in that regard. It also provides developers a lot of tools to be able to implement caching successfully. So I think the performance is really strong.
The key to Kentico's performance is that it's very versatile. We can really scale it very easily. We also have to obviously make some development considerations, and we're very versed in doing that. I am very, very confident in the ability to scale the website so that it can perform for large volumes of visitors and site traffic.
You know, it's very fast. I think that there's a lot of performance tuning that you can do in Kentico. I think that you can get it down to being almost the same as having just a static HTML site if you know what you're doing and if you know how to tune the system correctly. You know, much like any other .NET application, if you don't tune the system correctly, you can have very, very poor performance, but that's really on the developer to do their job right. One of the things I do like about Kentico is they give you all the tools to do that, from going all the way through output caching down to client level caching and being able to cache images and text on the client side, and they allow you the tools to do everything in between. So it's really up to you to decide how you want to tune your performance, and I really like that, because one of the things that I don't like as a developer is when a platform takes that control out of my hands and doesn't allow me to choose how to do that kind of stuff, and Kentico allows me to choose.